Baby, it's okay. It's okay, you're just having a little panic attack in the middle of the night. It's okay, sweetheart. Everything's gonna be okay, okay? Alright? Did you have a bad dream? Okay. You're just having a panic attack. It's okay, sweetie. I'm here for you, okay? I am here. And I felt this pull. I felt this pull towards you. Like I had to go say hi. But I was nervous. I was really nervous. But I knew I couldn't let this moment pass. So I came over and we started talking. I can honestly tell you that was the best decision of my life. For something so simple like hello and hi really changed my life for the better. And it's crazy to think something so small would lead to this. Us here together. Honestly, I'm so glad that I said hi to you. Here, baby, come close. Okay. Come close to me, just like that. Just relax into my arms, okay, baby? Good. Just take a deep breath with me, because your heartbeat's just going so fast. It's crazy. Breathe in. Good. Breathe out. Good. Take a big deep breath in one more time. Good. Now breathe out. Good. Now relax into my arms and feel how warm I am. Good. Relax your neck, shoulders, and body. Your arms and legs. Everything's gonna be okay. I'm here now. I'm here to protect you and love you. Because you're my beautiful princess and I love you so much. Okay? I'm here. I'm here for you. Do you feel better now? Good. I'm glad you feel better. You got me worried there a little bit, sweetheart. Of course, I'm here for you. I love you so much, you know? Yeah, and I was worried. I was really worried. You know, I just don't want you to have any panic attacks. I don't want you to have any more anxiety, you know? I just want you to just relax and enjoy yourself. Enjoy us. Poor baby, anything for you. I love you so much. Can I get you some hot water? You want some tea? Let me make you some tea, okay? Give me 1 second. Here you go, baby. I got you some tea. Drink up. But don't drink too fast because it might burn you. There you go. You're just so cute in every way, I swear. You are. You're amazing. You know, I don't tell you how much I love you enough. I feel like sometimes I have a hard time expressing myself. You know, I'm having a hard time expressing myself how much I love you, and it's hard for me to tell you that sometimes. And I do my best, and I know I'm working on it. I'm just so manly, so it's a little bit difficult for me. But I want to let you know that I love you so much, and you mean the world to me in every single way. Every single way possible, you mean the world to me. And I love you, and you're my little princess. You're so cute, baby. I don't think you understand how cute you are. You are the most lovely thing in the world. Scoot over a little bit, sweetie. Let me lay down next to you. Okay, now scoot back into me. Good. I just want to cuddle you, that's all. My little princess. You're so cool. Let me keep you warm. There you go. Are you warm right now? Good. Good, good, good. I'm glad you're warm right now. I love you so much, sweetie. All I want to do is just take care of you. That's all I ever want to do. If I can take care of you for the rest of my life, I would be the happiest man in the world. It's such an honor for me to take care of someone so beautiful and so amazing in every single way possible. And I love you so, so much. I don't think you understand how much I love you. I really love you so much. You're my everything princess. I still remember the day when we first met. I mean, I remember it like it was yesterday. It feels very clear to me still. I mean, I was just going about my day, and I didn't really expect anything special. And then I walked into that small coffee shop. The one with the cozy chairs and the fresh smell of coffee. Yeah, that one exactly. And as I was walking in the coffee shop, I saw you. I saw you sitting by the window. You were just sitting by the window, looking outside. And I don't know why. I don't. But there was something about you. Something about you that caught my attention. You got the most beautiful eyes in the world. You really do. Your eyes are something special. They are. I mean, I'm not saying this just to impress you, but they are. It's like, and they sparkle when you talk about something you love. It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? I mean, sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. Like you have this unique beauty that I can't help but notice, But on the real though, you should really be careful. With eyes like those, you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You stole my heart. In your lips. I mean, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You really do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. You smile. It lights up the whole room. It's like everything fades away but me and you. And I feel so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I could listen to you for hours. Your voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feels so special. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness in them. It makes it comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just, a part of it. And your hair. And I just love your hair. And I love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair looks so soft and beautiful. And I love the way your hair shines in the light. It gives us this nice glow. And sometimes I get lost in it. But your hair just frames your face so perfectly. And I love the way how your hair feels when I run my fingers through it. So silky and smooth. And sometimes, when you let your hair down, I'm like, wow. And it's like there's a whole brand new side of you that just comes out. And you make beauty look so effortless. You really do. And it all makes up your beautiful face. Every time I look at your beautiful face, I get lost every single time. Your features are so soft and perfect. And I love every single detail about your face. From your eyes, nose, and lips. It just all comes together and it takes my breath away. And how your face lights up when you see me. And I feel like you're lighting up my whole world. You make everything seem brighter, even if I'm having the worst day. And I love watching how your expression changes. Whether you're happy, sad, annoyed. Every expression across your face is just so captivating. And I don't know if you realize this, but you have a way of making me feel calm by just being here. And I can spend hours just looking at you, being mesmerized by every curve and every part of your face. You're just incredible. And every time I see your face, it feels like I'm falling for you all over again.